If you want to enable pedometer or add the pedometer to the home screen in order to count steps on your Google Pixel 10a, then in that case we can use the Fitbit app. I'm not sure if it is actually pre-installed on Google Pixel 10a, and in my case it was pre-installed, but if you don't have the app, then we can go to the Play Store, and then over here we can easily search for the Fitbit app, and you should be able to install it in here. Now, this is a Google app, so it is pretty straightforward to set up. You can use a Google account to set it up. You will have to grant some permissions and create the profile. You can also tap on your profile in the upper right corner once the app is set up and go to the Fitbit settings in order to find some adjustments. For example, if you go to activity, we can adjust daily steps that we want to make. You can set goal over here. Now, in order to add it to the home screen, you can press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen and go to widgets. Now over here we're going to switch to browse, and in here we should be able to find the Fitbit app. We can find the Fitbit steps widget 2x2. We can press and hold our finger in order to add it to the home screen, and we can add it anywhere we want to. So let's say I'm going to add it in here for now. You can also adjust its size, so we can make it smaller, we can make it bigger. Let's actually move it around a little bit. There we go. And we have our step counter. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.